Hey everybody, Brian here. Today is day three of the stock market trading challenge, grinding up from $3,000 or $2,000, excuse me, to $100,000 by December 31st. Today was also the third day in the trading year. Excuse me, my throat's a little sore still. Still like trying to get over this lingering cold, sinus infection, or whatever I have. Also, there was an earthquake in Oakland last night that shot me out of bed at around 2:30 in the morning, which should have been my first sign to maybe take the day off. So today I lost about $800. So I gave back a lot of my profit from yesterday. Um, it wasn't a full setback. And I also have an Apple option working right now, although that's also down about almost $400 as well. But the technicals look sound. I'm going to hold through and try to swing trade it into tomorrow for that Apple trade. Let's go through today's trade. So basically nothing worked out for me this morning. The leading gapper was CNET, CNET, um, and I traded that, lost money. Traded APHB, which was a leading gapper earlier this morning. Also had a large volume spike. As you can see, I got in at 162, 164. Another half of this 5,000 order at 159. Wind up dumping it for 152, 150. Had about a $500 loss on that right off the bat. It's not how you want to start your morning. I should have just stopped there and thought, you know what, it's going to be really hard to claw back from this. And so, lesson learned. Next time when I'm down that early, that quick, I think I'm just going to take the day off and, limit my loss to just the small loss instead of growing it into a larger loss. It's a lot harder to claw back from a loss because basically to get any green, I have to make basically a $700 trade in order to hit my $200 daily goal. So then the next target I saw was SGOC. I got in there at 138, sold that for 135. It just wasn't going my way right off the bat. So you can see here, 645. This trade was set up. So, sorry, SGOC. We'll take this back to 645. So here you can see 645. There's a huge candle here, and I don't know what happened. Somehow I was not able to make money on this trade. And of course, as soon as I sold it, it starts starts resolving in the direction that I thought it would. So you can see here, I got in at 138 and wound up selling at 135 on a what seemed at the time like a sharp pullback. I think I was just getting frustrated. I wanted things to work out in my favor. So right here we can see 135, 138. This thing resumed to go up to a high day of 148, and I missed this entire move up. So I think a lot of that was I was watching the 1 minute candle chart, and I started getting scared because I saw this. No, yeah, I think it just came up here and started dropping down, and then popped back up, and then resumed higher. So I just didn't have the courage to take another large loss, which sort of clouded my judgment for the rest of the day. So as you can see, the rest of the trades all went in similar sideways fashion. Here took a dime loss, so just widened my losses on CNET. Take another 10-cent plus loss on CCXI. That's when I got a little frustrated, bought these Apple calls. I thought the setup looked good, got in at 116. These Apple calls are going sideways on me now, 85 cents, basically lost 30 cents in value. You can see down here, minus 315, but like I said, I'm going to hold these through tomorrow, because if you look at the Apple chart, you can see right now we're at almost a low from after the current, after the breakout range, the opening range. Stopped here, bounced up, stopped here, bounced up, stopped here. So I'm hoping it bounces up again, maybe tapping this level and potentially breaking through to a new high. It looks like it's stopping out here, so the next resistance level would be about here, 173.73, 173.80, in that range. The reason I like this setup is because if you look at the daily chart, you can see here where these moving averages are, where they compress together and cross over, the stock just takes off. So again, here you have where all the lines kind of intersect and it takes off. Again, here the lines intersect. Right here, there's all this compression where the lines are all parallel, and then the stock takes off. So if you look to where we're at currently, we're in a similar situation right now. All the lines are compressing, they're intersecting, and I'm hoping the stock takes off into tomorrow morning, because these options expire tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. Tomorrow's a new day. I broke a few rules of trading today, so I can't be mad. I can only be mad at myself. I honestly should have just stayed in bed because of the earthquake waking me up, and then not feeling well. I took some Zzzquil last night, so I woke up a little groggy. So I wasn't really well rested. I should have recognized the signs, and I didn't, and I wanted to force the trading, and now I'm down, about $1,000 for the day. So there's always tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, last day of the first week of the year. Things look like they're finishing on a strong note, so we'll come back tomorrow and see how things go. Thanks for watching, and if you want to continue watching my journey to $100,000 from $2,000, please subscribe to these videos. I'm going to be uploading them every day, and eventually I'll start getting better at these videos and do some extra things and kind of teach people how to trade the stock market, teach people what I'm doing, and we'll just see where it goes from there. Right now it's just kind of a fun little project to keep me keep me engaged in the stock market and keep me disciplined for this challenge. So have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back tomorrow.